This brand is made in China and can be purchased through the manufacturer's Amazon store, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They do not use self-evaporating technology and so require periodic dumping of a condensate bucket. They have electronic controls with a remote, but it does not sense the room temperature. The P0701X models are available in either 8,000 or 10,000 BTU capacity at a 54 decibel noise level, which is much less than the noise level from adult conversation. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.